There's something in there. Ew. Get away from me. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you the rest of the stuff that I purchased for my apartment. So it ends up I might be moving in by the end of this month instead, because I'm probably gonna get moved to a different building. But who knows? I think it's going to happen though. And so just in case, like, I bought some stuff, and I think this is the last of my purchases, only because like I can get last minute things, and I have been buying a lot of stuff, and this is going to be a huge haul, so I'm just going to get straight into the video. First thing I'm doing, first all the non-Target thing, and then things, and then after that everything else is from Target. Okay. And so first thing is this knife set that my mom got on sale. I don't know where, but she got it Black Friday and she gave it to me. So this is like the only like gift kind of thing I'm showing. I just thought it was cute, and it's convenient because I was going to buy a knife set and they're so expensive. And my mom was like, oh, I have some that I got from Black Friday. I didn't even open. I was like, okay, yes, because knife sets cost way too much. And next thing is this. I actually got it on base, but it's Ray done, so you can find it online or at Michael's. This one says tea because I'm gonna make a little coffee bar, and then this one says coffee. I got these. They were $10 each. I got this. Oh, this is a Target product, but soap dispenser, $3 from $3 section. It is a glass bottle, one for my bathroom and then one for my kitchen. And I love the color. I got this toaster that I ordered off Walmart. I think it was about $30, $20 or something like that. It wasn't too high. And it matches the coffee maker I got because I'm going with this color for my appliances. So it matches my coffee maker and then my air fryer because all my appliances are the same shade. And I just love the color. I love the color. Another Target product, $2 Target. Wait, no, yeah, all the rest is going to be Target besides the dishes I'm going to show y'all in a second. $2 from Target just to put my utensils in. I don't need anything fancy for that. I got these bowls. Don't know how much they were, but just some mixing bowls. It comes with the white, the gray, and then the dark gray. I thought this was cute. I'm trying to keep some things basic and then some things like the colors I like. You'll see the theme when I move out and then I do the vlog and everything. My sister thought that this is like really cute, so I'm kind of going for the simple vibe, but this is very cute and simple. It's a little fake camera. I believe this is the Magnolia. Yeah, it's the Magnolia ones from Target. Just so cute. Oh my gosh, you can see this like sitting on the like a wall thing or whatever. I don't know what it's called. Leave me alone. And then I got this, and it was $5 from the dollar section. I got another one of these because I'm gonna put my spices on these. Just cute, basic. Gonna be on my countertops, or I might put it on the inside. I don't know. My spices might be on. Anywho, we're gonna get on to the next thing. And I did buy these over the span of weeks, so don't think that I just like went on a huge. Well, I kind of went on a huge shopping spree over this span of weeks, but like I didn't like buy those all on the same day. I like grouped things. Yeah, anywho, this is Pioneer Woman from Walmart. I believe her stuff is only at Walmart. I thought this was cute. My sister, on the other hand, if you're watching this, you're a hater. She said it looks like old lady dishes. So what, I'm calling me an old lady? Well, I guess I am old at heart. This is just so cute because I could just imagine like making somebody like food and then giving it to them in a cute little heart thing. It came with 3 for $19. I just thought this was just the cutest. I thought this was just the cutest little thing, and it has a little butterfly. It's just, I just love like things that are like cute and like little, I don't know, it just gives me like handmade, heartfelt. Like if you had a homemade meal in it, that would be like really heartfelt and like a good gift, and you're like, here you go, I made you some mac and cheese. Like, I think it's cute. I would love to have somebody give me some food in this. And then I bought another set. This was a set of 3, and then this was a set of 4 for $19 as well, but these are bigger. And the thing is, the packaging on these, terrible. I'm going to repackage it some other way and like duct tape it so it doesn't break over like whenever I'm moving things. But it came with this pink one. Look at the details, so cute. I know it's old lady like, but I love it. And it's just so cute and like springy to me. Imagine I made a homemade pot pie and I give it to you, and then it's like, aw, a homemade pot pie. And she even baked in an oven. I just think it's convenient because I'm living by myself, and so I can do home cooked like meals just singular, because this I could just put in the oven and just cook it. And so I just think it's really cute and convenient. And then here's the blue one. Cute. The gray one. And then I like the yellow one. I vibe with it. At first I was like, but I vibe with the yellow. I love the top on this one. That's all of my little things. And so the next things are all from Target. Okay, so I brought these all separate dates, but then I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, I could turn it into a set, which I guess it was made to be a set, but my store didn't get the other things until later. So this, I'm gonna put like fruit and stuff, and this is gonna be a centerpiece on my island. And then this is going to go by my island, little paper towel napkin thing. And then this is a utensil holder. I don't know if I'm gonna put utensils in it or not, but I thought it was cute. I just couldn't imagine putting like wooden spoons in this. So if anybody knows like an idea what I can do with this, I just thought it was cute, and I thought that, you know, because it goes with the theme of all of this, that it's useful. And this is the Threshold brand. I got a lot of the products, the Threshold brand. So I thought might as well get them all. Let's see if I can pick this up to show y'all it. It's a 12 set of big plates, small spoons, and then just same size bowls. So it's 4 of each. This is like, what, I think like 29, something like that. I thought it was cute because it kind of slightly gives a clay vibe. Slightly. I say slightly. And they were cheap. They do the job. Basic color, you know. Okay, this is not in fact Target. Another non-Target product. Got this off Amazon. $16. Cute little drying rack. Thought I went with the aesthetic of my kitchen. Just something that doesn't look ugly to have dishes on, because I feel like with other ones it's like not cute when you have like a lot of dishes, but this one is like wooden, so it's not like messy looking, you know. I got these cutting boards. They were cheap, $8. They go with the bowls that I got. They're like literally the exact same colors, so I was like, you know what, cheap cutting boards, that's for me. I'm not really gonna be cutting things like that besides like fruit and maybe like, pretty much that's it. I got this, don't remember, bought it a long time ago, but yeah. And then I also got this, same kind of vibe as everything, like the gray, the pink, you know. Oh, and I got these cups. I got 18 of them. I just don't feel like showing all of them. Will I ever have 18 people over using a cup? Probably not, but they were cheap. I got them on sale. They were like 30 some cents or like 50 cents. It was on sale last summer, and I was like, well, I'm gonna move out eventually, let me buy a whole bunch of cups, which was useful because I was like, oh, I don't feel like buying cups, because cups is like a thing that I don't really care about. But I was like, oh yeah, I have all these. And then I was like, Kayla's smart, she buys ahead. I got a Brita filter because these are always out of stock in the summertime, and I was like, well, I'm moving like spring, summer, I'm probably going to want a filter. I don't know why, I just don't be trusting random water like that, and it's an issue. But I got a Brita filter because I'm like, I can just chop up some lemons, throw it in there, drink it, good, you know, refreshing water. I just don't like the taste of like fridge water or like stuff like that. I love the taste of Brita water because it's the best. So I got one of these. Probably should have got one of the bigger ones, but it's good. I'm just one person. Just one person. Okay, these were $8. this set of bowls. They're pink. Okay, so it said 4-piece, so I was thinking 4 bowls, but it was like including the lid. So I got 2 bowls. But they're cute. They're pink. Do the job if I want to eat like a salad or something, or make like a homemade Qdoba bowl. This one, another one, but it's rectangular. What is that in there? Looks like there's something in there. Ew. Ain't no way. It is, isn't it? Get away from me!
Is it a lot?
No, it's dead. Can you take a picture of it?
Is it a toy, Lizzie?
No, it's real.
It's a toy.
No, it's real, Gina, please! So, I calmed down now. Ends up, it wasn't an iguana. It was a chunk of wood. Okay, you see how slightly it looks like an iguana? Like, think about you're moving it. It looks like an iguana. Tell me it doesn't. Tell me this doesn't look like an iguana. Is that iguana, the little ones? I don't know. But it looks like one of those little lizards if it's moving like this. So don't judge me. Don't hate on me. Don't think anything about me because it looks like one. Okay, next thing is I got this towel. Like it's like a kitchen towel. And then this little mitten thing. Oh, it has little hearts. I didn't see that. Little grippy things. This was in the dollar section. It was $5 and it says love grows best in little houses like, oh my gosh, I can't even read. Love grows best in little houses like this. Mine's a little house, no, but it's a little apartment, a little cute apartment, so it does the job, you know. And then I got these more dish towels just because, you know, drying dishes and stuff like that. And then I got another oven mitten, just in case like I have something big and heavy. I'm not going to use that little dollar section one. I want something that's sturdy, that won't burn my hands. And then I got washcloth set, hand towel set for my bathroom. And then I got 5 regular towels. And that is all for my haul. That's everything I have for my apartment. Now, is there a possibility that I might buy more stuff? Yeah, but if I do, you'll see it in my my apartment tour, which hopefully will be up before the end of this month. Stay tuned for when I move into my apartment. It's going to be so cute. Hopefully the lighting will be better than in here, but the lighting in my apartment is nice, so I can't wait for y'all to see it. I love it. It's the cutest place. Even my mom approves of it, and she is picky. So exciting. Can't wait. Subscribe if you want to see it. Like this video. Bye.
Happy dance. Doing a happy dance.